All right, so continuing on section 11.3, geometric sequences. Today we're going to be looking at the word problems, and you're going to need the two formulas. You're going to need the arithmetic formula, and you're going to need the geometric formula, because it's going to go back and forth between the two. All right, so we're just going to look at one example, and it has two parts. One that's going to be arithmetic, and one that's going to be geometric. So we're going to do the same problem twice, essentially, but with one with arithmetic and one with geometric. And it says that George has taken a job with a starting salary of $20,000. Find his salary during his 4th year on the job if he receives annual raises of either $1,100 or 5%. Okay? So between those two, which one is arithmetic? Which one? A, yeah, the one where he's going to increase his salary every year by $1,100. So I'm going to do it using the formula first, but then I'm going to show you that, yeah, you can use the formula, but it might be faster just to add 1,100 4 times. All right, so for part A, we're going to start with the formula for the nth term, starting with the first term, which in that case will be his $20,000 plus n minus 1 times d. All right? So we want the 4th year, so we're going to fill in a 4 there. His first year is $20,000 plus n minus 1. So in this case, n is 4, so 4 minus 1 times times the, what, 1,100? Okay, so you can do this all in your calculator. So you're going to say T sub 4 equals 20,000 plus 3 times 1,100. I got 23,300. And this is his salary. This is in dollars, money. Yes?
So, for like the formula, you said we get the also like put it like before the parentheses.
You technically could. Yep. Mm-hmm. Okay. So the formula is going to work. Punch it in your calculator, spit it out. Or you can start with $20,000 for the first year. Second year, you would simply do what? Add the 1,100. So you'd have 21,100. Third year, you'd have 22,200. And the 4th year, 23,300. Okay? Simply by taking and just from year to year, add 1,100. Add 1,100. Add 1,100. Okay? Any questions on doing it arithmetic with the arithmetic sequence formula? Anybody still copying that down? Okay. I think I can move it up and it can still be fine. All right, so now let's do it with the 5%. Okay, so same question, still George. He still starts off his first year making $20,000, but this time his salary is going to increase by 5%. So the formula we want to use on this one is the geometric formula, because every year we want to multiply by his 5% increase. How do you say 5% as a decimal? 0.05. But he doesn't just get 5%, he gets the prior year's salary as well. So we don't just say 0.05, we say, who remembers from last chapter when we were doing zombie apocalypse? What did we have to do? You have to add the 1. So instead of just saying 0.05, we have to say 1.05, okay? So to figure out the 4th year, we're going to take his starting salary, I almost wrote 10,000, the 20,000, times the ratio, which in this case is his rate, so it's 1.05, to the power of how many ever years minus 1, 4 minus 1. Because the first year, he's not going to get a raise. The first year, he's just going to get the 20,000. Every year after that, he'll get the raise. Okay? So bless you. See it? Okay. All right, so let's simplify this. We're going to have 20,000. This is obvious. Times, not colon. 1.05 to the 3rd. So if you're typing it in your calculator, you want to follow order of operations. So you're going to multiply first or exponent first? Exponent first. So 1.05 to the power of 3, hit equals. You get this decimal and you're like, oh no, I did something wrong, but you didn't. Multiply it times 20,000. Make sure you get the right amount of zeros in there. Hit the equals. On his 4th year, he's going to get 23,152.5. And that's what the calculator tells you. Is that how you should write your answer? What are we talking here? Dollars. So what should I add? Comma, $sign. What else? A 0 here. Okay, make it look like money. All right. So you can calculate this using the formula, or just like arithmetically, because it's only 4 years, just do the sequence. So start with the 20,000. That's year 1. Year 2, take that number and multiply it by what? 1.05. So you've got 20,000. Make sure you get the right amount of zeros. Times 1.05. Did I type that in right? Yes. So he's going to get 21,000 second year. Just leave that number in the calculator. Because when you hit multiply by, it takes the previous answer and multiplies it by 1.05 again. And he's up to 22,050. And year 4, just leave that number in there, hit the multiply, 1.05, $23,152.50. Got the same answer.